Right, it's only just happened. I saw it switch on. Too late. And here you go. It's busy as last year, but about 10 degrees hotter. So no snow, no freezing, nothing. It's just like dull and rubbish. But anyway, there's the tree. Okay, with a big band in front of it. Can you believe that? Okay. There it is. One big tree. Here I am, Darren Stanley, looking at all this. See, it's busy as ever. All the way down there. I had to run to get out because the whole thing's a fucking nightmare. But anyway, here I am, looking at this. Alright? So it's nice to see.
Should I start caroling?
All down there. See the trees over here. Same thing as last year, but I think it's better last year by a long way. Only because it's a joke. Anyway, here we go. Merry Christmas. Happy New Year.